we've got our 4 megapixel camera. I'm going to show you how to use it on our DVR P series. So to zoom the camera, you click on PTZ and just use these cursors, the plus and minus, to zoom in and out. If for some reason it doesn't work the first time you try it, do it again, and it will. If the camera is moving, like how I'm moving right now, it may not, and that's just an issue because the camera's autofocus kicks in. So just set it down if you're testing it. You see this AF appears in the bottom left and right. I'm gonna set it down here. So right now I'm zoomed in all the way out. Now I'm gonna zoom in all the way. And here you go. If you have the camera moving, or there's something moving in the distance that's causing the camera to lose focus, it will not be able to motorize zoom unless it sees that the picture has stabilized. So it's no fault of the camera, it's the autofocus mechanism that's built in. Now I'm going to try and aim it back and show you the same thing. Because my hand is shaking, it's realizing that the image is moving. So usually people think that there's something wrong with the camera. It's not. So you got to make sure that the image is stable wherever you're trying to focus it on, so you can actually hone in. Now there are other things inside this camera you can do. What I just did was I clicked on here. You can enter the menu and you can play around with these settings to get the best for your camera. Also, we suggest if for some reason you're unable to use the lens, you can always do it through the web service of your DVR or the phone app. All right, I wanted the lens, and I'm gonna set a reset. It resets the lens. And now I'm going to exit. Hit default. Hit enter. Now hit cancel. Now I can zoom it in again, much better, much easier. So you can try playing with this to see how it works for you. Again, the lens has to first finish focusing, and then you can control it. If you keep on trying to press it until it kind of just says AF done, you cannot move that lens. So you got to be a little patient as to how you use the motorized lens on the camera. There's nothing wrong with the camera itself. Now, if you're not able to access the autofocus at all, go into camera here. Make sure that channel type is set to auto, and under PTZ, you're set to control mode being HDCVI and protocol being HDCVI 3.0. And to check the resolution, you can come into encode, and you can see what the encoding resolution is. This is a 4 megapixel camera. This DVR supports up to 4 MN, which is right here. Hopefully this helps you. Thank you for watching.